discussion tutorial, I will be identifying IP addresses by using zone transfer in Kali Linux. So first you want to do is open terminal in the toolbar up above. Next, what you want to do is type in dig.instransfer.me. This shows information that was available to the hackers when the zone transfers were performed. And next you want to type in dig.axfr at nsztmi.digi.ninja.zonetransfer.me and press enter. This shows the servers that were attempting the zone transfer and where they are located. If you are wanting to see less parameters, you would type in the same code like you did the last time, except put less on the end of it and press enter or spacebar to see the records. And when you are finished recording the records, you would press Q to quit. And when you are finished, you want to exit out of terminal and shut down your virtual machine. Be with you.